nuts! I'm trying to go faster, but it feels like something is slowing me down.
Uh-oh, it's the air around us. The air is slowing us down when we try to push through it.
Oh, the air is slowing you down? Well, it's not a problem for me!
Look, the air is going around Speedrick. He doesn't have to push as hard.
Aw, can't go as fast as me, Blaze! What a drag!
I don't believe it! Speedrick got away!
Aw, I'm sorry, Blaze. You tried your best.
Well, I'm not giving up. I'm gonna catch up with Speedrick and get that key. I'm gonna be aerodynamic. If something is aerodynamic, it can move through the air easily. See, when I speed up, I have to push really hard to move through the air. That's because a truck shape is not very aerodynamic. But what if we change my shape to be more like a race car? We could make my wheels smaller and the front part rounder. Then make the back nice and smooth.
Whoa! All the air goes right around this shape. It's aerodynamic.
Come on, let's change me into an aerodynamic race car. To turn me into a race car, say race car. Race car! Let's find out just how fast this race car can go.
Look, there's Speedrick. He's headed toward that mountain.
That's no mountain. It's a volcano!
Volcano!
Speedrick, time to hand over the key.
Huh. You may be faster than me, Blaze, but I'll never give you the key!
He threw the key, and it's headed for the lava!
There's only one way to grab it in time. We need blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze! I got it!
Yeah!
Now we just have to get this key back to our friends.
Yahoo!
Swoops!
Hey, you two heroes! I thought you might need a ride.
Swoops, you are right on time.
Swoop-de-doo! Next stop, Velocityville!
Oh.
Hey, everyone, look!
Blaze and AJ are back, and we got the key.
All right!
Engineering race cars. Slick tires. Supercharged engine. Aerodynamic shape. Now, To turn me into a race car, say, race car! Race car! Oh, yeah!
Whoa! I've gotta try that! Daring time! Ha-ha! I'm a race car!
Rev your engines, check your shocks, don't stop till you get to Eagle Rock. On your marks, get set, go!
Race cars, rev it up!
I can hear birds chirping.
And I hear frogs croaking.
Think you're saw cutting?
A saw? But who'd be sawing in the middle of a race?
Bet you never saw this coming! Get it?
Oh man, this river's moving really fast.
And it's taking us farther and farther away from the race!
Uh-oh, how we stop?
What we need is something we can use as an anchor.
Yeah! When a boat lowers its anchor into the water, the anchor digs into the ground and slows the boat down.
Say, fellas, I know what we can use for an anchor. A wrench!
Good thinking, Starla. Let's test it and see if the wrench stops us.
Here goes!
Look! The wrench sunk and is digging into the bottom of the river!
We're slowing down.
Let's check our velocity. With the wrench as our anchor, our velocity went down to this number. What number is this? 8, right! But to stop, we need to get our velocity down to 0.
Let's try something else.
Arr! We need another anchor! Something that'll dig in really deep!
And we better find it fast, because we're heading straight for that waterfall!
Hey guys, how about this for an anchor? A shovel!
Yeah! I bet that'll really dig into the bottom.
Shovels away!
Ooh, shovel digging deep.
Check it out! It's making our velocity go down to this number. What number is this? 0!
Look! We're stopping!
Yeah!
Ooh! And wait till you see what's down there! It's the racetrack!
Come on, follow me! Look! There it is! Eagle Rock!
Whoa! Sorry, slowpokes! No one's beating this race car to the top!
Oh man! Crusher's almost at the finish line!
Looks like it's time for some blazing speed! To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze!
There's the finish line! I'm about to win!
We did it!
We won the race!
And best of all, we did it together! Race cars, ready up! Get ready for a big blast of
Combustion!
all right!
We made it! Just one more cannon blast to go.
With a little blast of combustion, we'll land here. And with a big blast, we'll land here. To get to the other side, should we use a little blast or a big blast? A big blast, yeah!
Here we go! A last big blast of
Combustion!
Shiver me timbers!
We did it!
We made it across Gator Lagoon!
Aye, and it was a real blast. Avast! This be Pirate's Peak.
Whoa, sure is steep.
We need some way to get to the top before those pirate bighorns come back.
Hey, you know what could get us to the top really fast? A rocket!
Yeah! Rockets use combustion to make an explosion so big that it blasts them super high in the air.
All right! I'm a rocket monster machine!
Well, blow me down. You really are a rocket.
Uh-oh, it's the pirate bighorns. They're back.
Come on, let's hurry and blast off!
Counting down to combustion in 5 seconds.
Count down with us. Start at 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Combustion!
Now we can finally get the treasure.
According to the map, the treasure is buried underneath a big X.
Aye, X always marks the spot.
There must be an X around here somewhere. Where do you see an X? Yeah, there it is.
Ha-ha! The treasure be buried right under here. Let's dig it up.
I know. Let's use blazing speed to dig up the treasure super fast. To make me dig super fast, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze! Look, it's the treasure! We found it!
Let's open it and see what's inside.
Okay, here we go! Gaskets! It's turning into a giant racetrack!
Wow! Amazing!
A treasure you can ride on? Well, blow me down! It's a treasure track!
Come on, crew! Let's give it a ride!
Yeah! Let's do it!
On your mark!
Get set, go!
Engine of yours.
Ejecting engine.
It looks like something's stuck in there. It's A hot dog?
A hot dog? Oh, pickle! There it is! The thing I've wanted most my entire life!
I know. That hot dog looks so delicious.
No, not the hot dog. The engine! The blazing speed engine!
Oh no! The blazing speed engine!
Crusher, that's my engine.
Not anymore, it's not! Now I'm the one with blazing speed!
But Crusher, you don't know how blazing speed works.
Of course I do! To get blazing speed, you just have to say, "Let's blaze!"
Gaskets! My engine landed on top of that mountain.
Engine! I want that blazing speed engine!
Oh no! Crusher's gonna try and get it!
We can't let Crusher get your engine.
I've got to beat him to the top of that mountain. Hey, this is weird. How come I'm not moving?
It's because you don't have your engine, Blaze. Without your engine, you can't drive.
Oh man, what are you gonna do?
Well, until I get my engine back, I'll have to find some other way to get moving. I'm gonna need propulsion.
Propulsion, yeah!
Propulsion creates the force that makes things move. Usually, Blaze can use his blazing speed engine for propulsion.
When his engine blasts out a force, it pushes him forward.
But now that I don't have my engine, I need something else for propulsion.
Hey, I know! Let's use that giant balloon! Now, when I let the air out of the balloon, we get... propulsion!
Woohoo! Crusher's almost at the top of the mountain.
He's about to get the blazing speed engine!
I've got to get my engine back before Crusher gets there.
But how, Blaze? You can't drive!
I can't drive, but maybe I can fly.
Fly?
I can get the propulsion to fly from these rotors.
Whoa!
Quick, let's grab him!
Oh yeah! I've got
At last! The blazing speed engine! All for me! What?
Sorry, Crusher. This engine belongs to me.
No! No, 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 no! Yuck!
Only one thing left to do. Get this engine back where it belongs. All right!
Way to go, Blaze!
You finally got your blazing speed engine back!
Now let's get driving again with a little blazing speed. To give me blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Oops! Looks like their ball got stuck in that tree. Hang on, monkeys! I'll get it! Tiger claws! I got it! Here, monkeys, catch! Now let's get back to our game, man. Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Stripes, are you okay?
I think so. Man, that was some fall.
Stripes? I think something's wrong with your tire.
My tire? It's broken! Oh man! I can't climb out of this hole with a broken tire!
Stripes is in big trouble.
We've gotta help him.
I can fix his tire, but first, we're gonna have to get him out of that hole.
Listen, we're getting a call.
Blaze! AJ! Gabby!
It's Stripes!
Guys, I think I've got a problem. The ledge I'm on looks like it's about to break! Please hurry!
Oh no! With his tire broken, Stripes can't climb to where it's safe.
Hang on, Stripes. We'll be there as fast as we can.
We need to get to Stripes before that ledge breaks. Tow truck team, it's time for some blazing speed. To give us blazing speed so we can get to Stripes super fast, say, let's blaze!
Let's
Hang on, Stripes!
Blaze, you made it! And you're a tow truck!
Now hold on! We're gonna pull you out of there!
Come on, Blaze! You can do it!
You just need more torque.
The only way we're gonna get Stripes out of there is with the most torque we've ever had. We need a torque of 100!
Whoa!
Count by tens to 100 with us. Repeat after me.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
70, 80, 90, 100! Joe! Truck! Power!
All right!
You did it, Blaze! You saved me! My tire! Oh, wait! I almost forgot! My tire's still broken!
Don't worry, Stripes. We'll have that tire fixed in no time.
Come on, tow truck team. Let's get to work.
This new tire feels great!
Yeah! He's fixed!
Way to go, Stripes. We're glad you're all better.
Good idea, little monkey! Now that you guys are here, let's play some ball! All right!
Nice pass! Yeah!
I got it! I got it!
Come on, let's accelerate. We'll change our speed from stop to go. Come on, let's accelerate. Increase our speed from stop to whoa. Acceleration, speeding
No, Darrington, look out!
Whoa! Oh, boy.
Hang on, Darrington!
Phew! Thanks, Blaze.
Uh-oh! That machine is making more cracks!
Come on, let's hurry.
Oh, that crack is getting closer!
We need to go faster. Accelerate!
Switching to visor view. To go faster than the crack, we've got to go at least this number. 13. Right now, the speedometer says we're going 8. Are we going fast enough? No! We've got to speed up!
Whoa! Count to 13 with us. Start at 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13!
Woo-hoo! We did it, guys!
The Earthquaker Maker just made another crack, and it's moving even faster!
To get away from this crack, the speedometer says we need to be going 20. And right now, we're at 13. Are we going fast enough? No!
Hurry! It's getting closer!
Help us accelerate to 20. Count with us. Start at 13.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20!
Oh, yeah!
Stunt Mania, here we come!
Stunt Mania is just up ahead. Looks like I'm gonna ride the super track first.
Yep. Nothing can possibly go wrong now.
Well, folks, I guess no one's gonna ride the Stunt Mania super track.
Aww.
Hold on! Someone's coming! It's Darrington! He's back!
Oh, he made it! He made it! Oh, dude, I totally knew he'd make it.
Way to go, Darrington! Now you can finally ride the super track!
Thanks, Blaze. But you know, I don't feel like doing the trick all by myself anymore.
Why not, Darrington?
Because I want to ride the super track with you guys! My best pals in the whole world! Come on, what do you say?
Yeah!
Let's do it!
And up they go! Darrington and Blaze to the top of the super track!
Super track, here we go!
And they're off! There they go, side by side, through the loop-de-loops! Coming around the final turn, they're headed for the Flaming Star! Will they make it? Yes!
Gotcha! Look, there goes the hot air balloon.
Uh-oh, but it's flying over the water.
We've got to find some way to follow it across the water, and fast.
I know what we need. The fastest boat in the whole world. A Thunderboat.
Yeah! Help build the parts to turn me into a Thunderboat. First, I need the planing hull. It keeps the Thunderboat floating high on top of the water. To make the planing hull, say planing hull. Planing hull! Next, I'll need a propeller. When the propeller spins, it pushes the boat forward. To make the propeller, say propeller. Propeller! Last, I'll need 2 powerful engines to make our Thunderboat go really fast. To make the engines, say engines. Engines! DJ, and give me some Thunderboat speed!
All right!
Oh man! Where do you think these cannonballs are coming from?
I think I know where! It's those pirates!
Fire the cannonball!
Phew! Those pirates sure love sinking ships.
Well, they're not gonna sink us, 'cause I've got an idea. Look! See that rock in the water? It's shaped like a ramp.
Yeah! If we drive our Thunderboat fast enough off a ramp, we can jump over the pirate ships.
Come on, let's go for it! Activating speedometer view! To jump over the red pirate ship, we need to go a speed of 30. Let's count by 10s to 30. Repeat after me. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30! We made it past the red pirate!
Oh no! Crusher and Pickle are about to crash into the slime volcano!
Gaskets! If we're gonna save them in time, we've gotta go faster! Let's increase our speed all the way to 100!
100? Whoa! We've never gone that fast before!
But we can do it, 'cause we've got blazing speed! To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze! Let's check our speedometer to see if we're going 100. Is the arrow pointing to 100? Yes! We're coming, Crusher and Pickle!
Hooray! You saved us!
You're welcome, you two! Now hang on!
Balloon Bear, here we come! Hey, Psycho! They did it!
Yippee! We made it! Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you!
Aw, you're welcome, Pickle.
Blaze! I'm feeling so happy! I think I'm gonna give you a truck hug!
You're welcome, Crusher!
Space Racers! Start your rocket engines! On your marks! Get set! Blast off!
Rocket thrust, speed it up, moving fast, engines are working. The space race, navigate through the stars, supercharged, energy surging. The space race, 3, 2, 1, blazing through the space race, interstellar space race. Whoa, go, go, go! Space race, keep going faster than the speed of light to the finish line. Space race, at the space race.
Something just bumped me!
We do have been bumped! You do!
You're all getting bumped by Space Bighorns!
Oh man, this is bad!
We cannot finish the race if we cannot fly past the space bighorns!
Don't worry, aliens. We'll get past those bighorns.
Yeah! We just need to steer our ship so the bighorns can't bump us. We need to use thrust.
Right now, our engines are making a thrust that pushes us forward. But if we turn our engines, the blast will create a thrust that can push us up, or down, or any direction we want to go. Quick, change thrust direction.
Nice flying, Spaceship Blaze!
Now come on, everyone, follow me.
Help me look for the other space bighorns so we can steer past them. When you see a space bighorn, say Space Bighorn. Space Bighorn!
Change thrust direction. All right.
Excellent use of thrust!
There's just one space bighorn left. Help us look for it. When you see the last space bighorn, say Space Bighorn. Space Bighorn!
Change thrust direction!
Nice steering, astronaut AJ.
Nice flying, Spaceship Blaze.
And look! See that planet? That's where the finish line is!
Oh no! But Crusher is almost there!
I'm gonna win the space race and be the champion of the universe! Me! Space Crusher!
To give me and my alien friends blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's
I'm so close! All I need now is a picture of myself winning! Say
We did it! We won the Great Space Race!
Well, friends, the race may be over, but we've still got our spaceships!
Yeah! What do you say we go flying one more time?
Agreed!
Let's do it!
Lost treasure, here we come! Hey, what's so funny? How come you're giggling?
I'm not giggling.
Me neither.
Huh, well then it must be that guy. Giggling guard!
Lug nuts! It's gonna take a lot of strength to move a giggling guard out of our way.
We can do it. We just need more momentum. Momentum is the strength something has when it's moving. Blaze has momentum when he's driving. It's just not enough to knock away a big giggling guard. But there's a way to give Blaze even more momentum. We just have to make him heavier. Because the heavier something is when it's moving, the more momentum it has.
Hey, this barrel could make me heavier.
Great idea, Blaze!
To knock the giggling guard away, I need a momentum of 4. Is that the number 4? No, that's 2.
We've got to make Blaze heavier so he'll have more momentum.
Ooh, that big shoe could make him heavier. Here, Blaze, catch!
Let's check my momentum now. Is that the number 4? Yeah! Now I've got just enough
momentum!
This way to the lost treasure!
This cave sure is slippery!
Aha! How about if we go this way? Will that get us out of the cave? More snapping plants!
What if we go this way?
Will this get us out of the cave? Yeah! Follow me, friends! Let's slide! We did it!
We got through the super slippery cave!
That's right, because nothing's gonna stop us from getting that lost treasure!
It's the lost treasure! Wow! Come on, fellas! Hurry! All we gotta do is cross this bridge, and we'll finally get the treasure!
I don't know, Darrington. Something about this bridge feels strange.
I mean, all I see is a bridge that's long and straight and breaking apart. Breaking apart!
Gaskets! We've got to hurry and get across before the bridge falls apart. We need blazing speed. To give us blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
We crossed the Uncrossable Bridge!
And you know what that means.
You finally get to see what's inside the lost treasure!
Oh, yeah! Boy, I wonder what it could be!
Only one way to find out.
Come on, let's open it!
Okay, here goes! Wow!
They're tires made of gold!
And look! They have wings! And they can fly!
Whoa! I don't believe it! The lost treasure is flying tires!
Whoa! And now we're flying too!
Ha-ha! This is incredible!
Come on, everyone! Let's fly!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blaze and the Monster Machines YouTube channel for new videos every week.